Hi, I'm Kathy Maney. I'm 70 years old. I lost 100 pounds and I take 0 medications. It's Saturday, which means it's time to walk back through this whole week together. This series came from one of my own subscribers, and it was about the real first days, weeks, and months of going carnivore. Let's walk through all 5 points, and I've got some exciting news about this week's ebook too. So let's go. Okay everyone, it has started to rain a little bit, so I'm going to see how fast I can get up these steps and back down. But I'm going to stop when I get to the top, and I'll talk with you just for a couple of minutes to tell you about the Saturday review and wrap up this week. Thankfully, I had a wonderful subscriber who gave me the idea for this past week's series. And if any of my other subscribers have ideas that you would like me to talk about, please post it in the comment. And I am trying to hurry and get up these steps, but you know what? I have my handrails, so I can go fast now. And I can hold on and not worry about falling. So I'll talk with you for just a minute when I get to the top. I don't know if I've ever walked up these this fast. I've got my handrails to hold on to, but I want to get down before I get rained on. So let me stop right here and talk with you just a minute, catch my breath, so I can get up here a lot faster now with these handrails to hold on to. And yesterday when I came up here, I actually took a few pictures, and I want to show you one of those pictures. It's cloudy and rainy today, but yesterday was so pretty, and here's what it looks like at the top of my steps. All right, so what a week this was. We started with point 1, cleaning out my kitchen, where I told you it wasn't just a physical job, it was a test of my will. Living alongside food that wasn't mine to throw away. 1 Corinthians 10:13 reminded me that God always makes a way of escape. Point 2 was longer than a few weeks. My withdrawal actually took closer to 2 months, not the few weeks everyone promised. Galatians 6:9 taught me my due season doesn't have to match everyone else's. And withdrawing from carbs and sugar took me longer than 2 weeks. Point 3 was no gallbladder, no problem. Proof that even with a health history like mine, my body could still adjust and heal, just like Psalms 103 promises. Point 4 was steak cost less than I thought. I took you grocery shopping with me and showed you 8 meals of meat for just $77.12. I have 1 meal per day. Philippians 4:19 reminds me God supplies exactly what I need. And point 5 was the most personal one. I did this alone, and you don't have to. Nobody in my house was doing this with me, and it was the hardest part of the whole journey. Ecclesiastes 4:9 and 10 says, 2 are better than 1, and that's exactly why I became a coach. Now, I promised you some exciting news, and here it is. This week's ebook is available now on Amazon. It has all 5 points from this series, but it goes further than the videos. Each chapter has reflection questions to help you think through your own journey, plus a full appendix of the BBB&E basics. And every single scripture we covered this week as its own scripture card for you to keep and refer back to. That's value you won't find anywhere else, and it's my way of saying thank you for walking through this series with me. If anything this week hit close to home for you, whatever point it was. I want you to know you don't have to sit with it alone. I offer a free 20-minute discovery call. No pressure, no sales pitch, just two women talking about real food and real life. That link is right below this video. Before you make any changes to your own diet, please talk with your own doctor. And I hear the rain coming back. I need to get back down these steps. Thank you all so much for another wonderful week. I have the best subscribers. Your comments and encouragement to each other mean the world to me. Hit that like button. Tell me which point from this week meant the most to you. And subscribe so you don't miss next week's brand new series. I'll see you then. All right, I need to go back down now because I think the rain is coming back, so here I go. I'll see you at the bottom. So it sure is beautiful up here. Okay, I've got to get back down before I get rained on, so here we go. So here we go. And I'll get down much faster than I could do it before. And if I get up to the top of the steps and meet up with a bear or a snake or a yellow jacket's nest, I can turn around, hold on to my rails, my rail here, and get down really fast if I need to. But today it's none of those critters, it's the rain. And I wanted to bring you this Saturday series update and review, walking up and down my steps like I try to do each day. And I'm so happy to have my rails. I don't want to miss out on using my rails, my handrails. I'm so happy to have them. So it just takes me a minute or two to get back, not even that, to get down to the bottom now. And here I am at the bottom. And okay, I'm almost at the bottom, but I want to make sure you know about my ebook. It's going to be a special one this series. It not only highlights each day of the series, each point, there's some extras in there for you that you won't find in my videos. All right, so here I go. And I will see you on Monday with the point 1 for series 8. So I'll see you then. Bye.